The COMELEC is allowing warrantless arrest on vote buying and vote selling for the midterm elections. The poll body said even ordinary citizens may carry out the arrest if candidates are caught in the act. But still, it is better to ask for assistance from authorities. The COMELEC also noted that illegal election materials will be seized. Vote buying and vote selling are considered as election offenses under the Section 262 of the Omnibus Election Code.
Kung yung aarestuhin ay caught in flagrante delicto. Ang ibig sabihin po nun sa ating mga kababayan, caught in the act, yan po ay implied lagi, implied. Ibig sabihin, sa desisyon ng Korte Suprema, pinapayagan po ang citizen's arrest.
Oh, yan.
Pinapayagan citizen arrest, pero to be safe, ha?
Oo.
Maybe you can call their attention, tapos tumalikod ka na lang, maghanap ka ng
Pero
police.
yung iba nga, gusto nila yung magsusumbong na lang anonymously kasi they also fear for their lives. Kasi
yes,
sinasabi nila,
Or,
baka mamaya yung may kakayahan na magbayad or bumili ng boto, iba rin ang pag-iisip, di ba?
or siguro, di ba, yung ganyan ka.
Oo.
Di ba, kunin mo yung video. Kasi sinabi na ni COMELEC Chairman George Garcia at saka ni spokesperson Attorney Rex Laudianco, you can send the videos and pictures anonymously to COMELEC and they will do the investigating. You don't have to name yourself. Basta give them the tip and they will check the veracity of your report. Ganun kasimple lang yan.
Mahirap din kasi yung di ba kasi sabi nga nila na sila sa tawag doon yung fear nila sa kanilang
Basta
safety. Pero
kapain nyo yung sitwasyon.
oo,
Kapain nyo.
kahit
Kapain
natatakot
nyo.
kay importante, doon pa rin tayo sa tama, 'di ba? So kasi
Unless-
ang dami kasi ngayon talagang nagkalat na rin ng iba't ibang pamamaraan ng vote buying. And na-discuss naman yan sa atin ni COMELEC Chairman George Garcia doon sa The Grill,
Grill, yeah,
'di ba? So ngayon pa may mga online application, 'di ba, na
E-wallets.
mag-send ng mga pera.
Oo.